At Citizens for Balanced Use, we undertake trail maintenance projects to help keep our trails safe for all user groups. We are a grassroots organization advocating for multiple use access across the entire Pacific Northwest, but we started here in Montana. We are concerned with good forest management practices and advocate for all users' access, including disabled veterans. Our volunteers get out there and clear trails and even fix trail signage. We help out on trails even where multiple use access is not practiced. You can help further our mission. Simply go to balanceduse.org and learn more about all the good we do to promote multiple use access.